Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial series on Bitrix24. Now Bitrix24 is a CRM solution. It's basically a company intranet on the cloud, and it also has a CRM in it. Okay, CRM is all about customer relationship management. So this tutorial series is not exactly on the Bitrix cloud intranet, but this is more on the Bitrix CRM. So in this tutorial series, we will focus more on the CRM aspect of the Bitrix24 cloud service. Now this is offered as a software as a service platform so that you can actually access it from all over the world from different devices like mobile devices, laptops, PCs and all that. And CRM is all about customer relationship management. And in this course, we are focusing mainly on the CRM and not on the intranet aspect of the Bitrix24. We will do a separate course on that someday. So before we go ahead with this, let me just acquaint you what is exactly a CRM. And once you understand what a CRM is, I will gradually intro you to Bitrix24 CRM, okay, which is part of this Bitrix intranet on the cloud. So let's learn what a CRM is first. The thing about CRM is it's basically customer relationship management, right? And there are mainly 4 features that we are looking at inside a CRM. Any CRM is supposed to have all these 4 features. So the first one being marketing automation. It has got to do everything with marketing. Second is the Salesforce automation. It has got everything to do with the sales pipeline. And third is the contact center automation, which has got everything to do with the contact center. And fourth is the service automation, which is various service that we give to various customers. It can be site visits, it can be various projects, it can be a lot of other things. So all the other service oriented, project oriented stuff can come under service automation. Okay. So what is marketing automation? So effectively what happens, first let me define one thing to you. When you're talking about customer relationship management, how are we defining the customers? The customers are not only the people who are buying from us, but in terms of CRM, when we are actually talking CRM, we also mean customers to be our partners. We also mean customers to be the competitors. We also mean customers to be our vendors and also our customers. The reason we look at everybody as customers, because there is 2 aspects of the CRM where there are users at both end. Like at our end, we have the backend team, that is the service and marketing and sales people, the people who are actually seeing here. And at the other end, we have the customers, and the customers are basically paying customers, vendors, partners, and even competitors. So they are at the other end of the software. Okay. So what are the main features of the CRM? Let's talk about marketing automation. So effectively what happens, there are a lot of ways lead might come into the company. So effectively, suppose say someone has sent in an email, right? So we will program our marketing efforts in such a way that when an inquiry email comes in, we automatically send responder message to that, okay? Or say when a person say calls in a particular number, we automatically push certain marketing materials into that person's mobile phone. Or we make that person listen to some automated messages which is promoting our product. A person walks into some place, automatically there's some kind of activity happening which is related with the marketing. So all these things which we are automating at our end, for which are related with marketing, is called marketing automation. Okay, that is for engaging people. Okay, so now the second option is called Salesforce automation. Now this has everything to do with the sales pipeline. So here the leads are generated and then gets converted into companies and contacts and accounts, and gradually we send in a price catalog. They like the prices, they give us purchase orders, and then we actually send the invoices, and the billing happens, the deal completes. So this overall sales pipeline, a lot of aspects of it can be automated, like invoicing and adding of accounts, cross-checking of accounts, doing away with multiple entries and all that. So all these things that happen are basically part of the Salesforce automation, right? Then comes the contact center automation. So effectively what happens in this case is somebody calls in, say, contact center is basically the place where people are getting in touch with our support personnel. So they are doing so with the help of by making calls. They can also do so by publishing web tickets on the net, like support tickets. They can also walk in, and they can also call in and say send a support or something like that. So we are gathering all this contact center data, and it can be processed automatically. A customer can be guided via the IVR in the phone to specific support personnel who can actually take care of the problem. Person can be guided by the IVR to generate specific task, like if that person wants a phone bill, that phone bill can be generated through the IVR without any support personnel interaction. So similarly, a lot of things can be done with the help of emails also, and a lot of things can be done on the net with the fact pages and auto selecting stuff. So a lot of automation, service center automation, contact center automation can be done at the back end automatically. So that is called contact center automation.